How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice, and today I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on one of Boston Whaler's newest models. This is the 21 or 210 Vantage. This is the smallest and first boat in the Vantage fleet. You're now going to have 21, 24, 28, and then their biggest being the 32. The 21 is excellent for those who want to be introduced to the Boston Whaler brand, but still have that fit and finish and quality that Boston Whaler is known for. Follow me inside, I'm going to show you some of the great features offered on this boat. Starting off on the transom of the boat, you're going to notice how flush and flat it is. It's got two uses. You can either use the back of this as an awesome swim patio, or you can use it as a fishing casting platform. You're going to see a lot of similarities between this throughout the other Whaler models, such as the 220 Dauntless, the 250 Dauntless, and then of course the DNA that the Vantage line is known for. However, the back of this one integrates all of that together. So you've got the non-skid, you've got rod holders here, easy access to cup holders, but both of these seats, simply with a pull latch, pop right up. They're nice and deep, they give you a great backrest. As I can sit on it here, you can see I've got great height to it, so it's not a low back. It's good, it's high at the shoulders, it's comfortable. I'm seated deep in the boat, I've got a great grab rail, so it's comfortable for when your guests are on board. But easy to stand up, close it down, and if you want to throw a line off the back. Over here on the side, you're used to seeing Whaler's port side lounger that you can set up into a couple different configurations, but a feature I really like is the live well. This is actually a larger live well than the 24 Vantage has. Easy access to it, great to be a live well or a massive cooler, however you want to use it. It's a nice different latch that they have here. Close that down easily. As you can see, the cushions are removable on this. You've got two cup holders to access here, whatever position you want to have it in, and then in true Whaler fashion, you can move this into a couple different ways or lay it completely flat to have a lounge facing aft. Over here at the helm, you're going to have a nice Simrad mounted right here in the front. This is the 12-inch. You've got the JL audio package, two traditional gauges, and then your rocker switch is located right below. The boat can be optioned with trim tabs. You can also get your Simrad VHF over here, and of course your cup holder. But a nice feature that you have on this, being a 21-foot boat, you still have a head, and this is a large head compartment. Right now you're going to see one of the tables stored in there because you have tables on this for both the bow and a cockpit table in the back, and of course you have a filler cushion to make the whole front of this boat your larger sun pad. As we step into the bow, like I said, filler cushion and table that you can have with that nice teak finish on it. But in the front of this boat, all the features you're used to seeing on Whaler. Removable cushions, snapped down. Below you're gonna have that non-skid. Everything is insulated, nice and deep bow area. You've still got your great handrails, cup holders, and then forward in the front, you don't have the windlass on this one, but you still have a designated area to put your anchor so you're not losing storage underneath the seats. But this boat does still have one of the features I love on the Vantages is this massive storage area. So as that opens up, you see that it is a lockable storage area, but it has the rod storage in there that you can access. So if you're at a place and you want to leave some of your tackle on the boat, you can put it in there and lock it up. You're not worried about it, but you're going to have the easy chute for the trash can receptacle with that 5-gallon bucket mounted right in there that we're used to seeing. Wind dam to close everything off, and then additional access to get into that same storage area. Always great features offered on Whaler. Now it's packaged in just a little bit smaller one. If you'd like to come see this boat, this is the 21 Vantage. Again, my name is Mike Ulrich, located right here at MarineMax Venice. Thanks for watching.